Okay, to make a two-layer sticker for the vinyl cutter inside of Illustrator, we're going to make a new composition or new artboard. So we're going to go to File and New. And we need to adjust some options here. So I'm going to type in my project name. We're going to actually do two artboards here. And under the units here, we're going to change this to inches. Now your project is going to be about 5 inches wide and 3 inches tall. And this looks pretty good. We're going to click OK. Now we're going to start by making a registration mark, and it's going to be a simple thing. This is the fill is going to be black, so I'm going to double click there, black, and then the line here, we're going to make that null or nothing, so I'm going to click that so it has a slash through it. I'm going to put a square in the corner, so just go to upper left hand corner, set my cursor there, click and drag. If I hold shift on the keyboard, it automatically snaps into a square, so I'm just going to make a nice little square in the corner like that. That's going to be your registration mark. Now I'm going to select an ellipse tool here, and this is going to be the body of my sticker. So I'm just going to get a nice size ellipse tool. If you want a perfect circle, you can hold the shift button and it'll give you a perfect circle. I'm going to make an ellipse here, drag it out to about the size that I want, like that. Now we're going to make a two-layer project. And so I'm going to copy this layer and cut some stuff out of it and make it the right size. So I'm going to start by copying this layer. I'm going to use this tool here, the selection tool. Click on my ellipse here. Do Control C on the keyboard for copy and Control F on the keyboard for paste in front. Okay. You can also find this up here. So edit, copy, and then edit, paste in front, or Control F. Now, to make sure that I've done this right, I want to change the colors. So I'm going to go to the fill color here, double click, and we'll make it something easy to recognize, maybe like pink. Now I want to size this down, but if I just size it down from the side, you see I have an uneven border. So I'm going to hold some keyboard shortcuts down to make it sure it sizes down correctly. So I click and I hold Shift and Alt while I size it down. And you see that it has an even border all the way around. Okay, once again, I hold Shift and Alt, size it down till I like my border size, and there I go. Now I need to get the numbers, the words, cut out of it. So I'm going to select my type tool. This, I'm going to make it another different color so I can see it. And this is going to be I'm going to do a half marathon one. 13.1 miles. And I'm going to make this bigger by going to the font size here and really crank it up. Even bigger, maybe 150. Okay, that looks nice. So now what I want to do is I need to take this these numbers and create outlines. So I click on the numbers, 13.1, right click and go to Create Outlines. This turns it into a path. Now I can cut this path out of the pink ellipse. So I'm going to select both the 13.1, hold Shift and click the ellipse, and now I'm going to find the Pathfinder tool. I go up to Window, go to Pathfinder, and on Pathfinder, this second one, minus front, this would cut out the 13.1 from the pink. So I click on the minus front here. I'm just going to move this off to the side. And now this path, you can see that it's cut out. Now I want to move the pink 13.1 onto a different piece of paper with a registration mark. So I'm going to make a copy of this registration mark. Edit copy and edit paste in front. So now there's two of them. I'm going to click on the square, hold shift, click on the pink ellipse, and I'm going to hold shift again and drag it over to my other artboard. So now I have a black ellipse and a pink ellipse. And so this would be cut out of the black vinyl, and this would be cut out of the white vinyl, or whatever colors you want. So I go ahead and save this project, and that's how you make a two-layered sticker with registration marks.